All right, we're back with some breaking inputs coming in. BJP releases its new campaign song सपने नहीं हकीकत बुनते हैं इसीलिए सब मोदी को चुनते हैं. The song has been sung in 12 different languages. Let's listen in.
हाल बेहाल लगती की धीमी पड़ी थी चाल फिर देश नामों को चुनकर लाया नामों ने भी अपना वादा निभाया उन्नत देश जो था बस सपना बस यही था सपना उसका अपना चुनता रहा वो राह सही जो जनहित में हो चुना वही सपने नहीं हकीकत बुनते तभी तो सब मोदी को चुनते तभी तो सब मोदी को चुनते
Mohit Bhatt is joining us with more details. Mohit, of course, the key takeaway and the highlight is that promises have been fulfilled. इसीलिए सब मोदी को चुनते हैं.
Well, and that has been the line of the BJP, Swati, that sapne nahi hakikat bunte hain, tabhi sab Modi ko chunte hain. That is the new campaign of the BJP that has been launched today. Now, if you see through the campaign, you will see that how it focuses on the work that has been done by the government for farmer, for communities, in terms of Viksit Bharat, Digital India. So all the aspects of this government on which they're going into elections has been put forward in this. And we know for a fact that how the BJP has stated that ab ki baar 400 par with the NDA and 370 is their target, and that is why the main line of this particular campaign is sapne nahi hakikat bunte hain tabhi sab Modi ko chunte hain. That has been the line of the BJP when it comes to the election. And in run up to the election we see that various videos have been released by the BJP, but if you'll see through all the videos, the focus is on youth, the focus is on women, the focus is on farmer community, because the government said they have done a lot for the farmers in terms of Kisan Samman Nidhi. And what we are also being told by our sources is that
has glimpses of not just Vikas but of the Indian culture and the fact that the country has done well for itself as far as the global platform and global politics is concerned, a force to reckon with. Thank you very much, Mohit, for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.